So tasty. So tasty, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a strawberry grape smoothie with blueberry. Okay, so before I go, remember to like, share and comment on my video. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about my video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all my subscribers. Thank you for continuing supporting me as I move forward with this YouTube channel. Okay, thank you so much. So I have here in this bowl some blueberry, some grapes and some strawberry. I have a ripe banana, I have the yogurt, still using my yogurt, and I have some cranberry juice and some mixed nuts. So I'm gonna get started, and I have my bullet. So I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. So just the blueberry is frozen, guys. I'm gonna add some nuts. Like this. I'm gonna add some yogurt. Aside, I'm gonna add my cranberry juice. Gonna cover. And blend. And there you have it, guys, all done. My strawberry grape smoothie with some blueberry, all done. Oops, that's it, guys, look at it. So I'm gonna glass this now. Blueberry makes everything purple. So delicious. As always, my smoothies are always delicious. So guys, go ahead and try this special smoothie, my strawberry grape smoothie with blueberry. It's very tasty, it's very nice, and as usual, when you use blueberry, you will get the color looking like this. Okay, because blueberry is very overpowering, but blueberry is very good, so I like to use blueberry in my smoothies. Okay, it's very good. So you can try this for the entire family. You can try it for breakfast or even dinner, because I came home and I feel hungry and I decided to do a smoothie. Okay, so go ahead and try it, guys, you will love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.